The U.S. Supreme Court has issued the first of 3 highly anticipated summer decisions, ruling a high-profile affirmative action case involving the University of Texas should be sent back to a lower court. In a 7-1 decision Monday, the High Court managed to avoid a sweeping ruling on the constitutionality of affirmative action programs. News organizations needed one word to describe the highly anticipated court ruling 8 months in the making.
The word we're looking for here is punt.
And they effectively punted down the road to another day.
Punt. Yeah. That's exactly what the Supreme Court did today. They didn't gratify either side, nor did they clarify the law.
The case of Fisher versus Texas was brought by Abigail Fisher, a white woman who applied to the University of Texas, Austin back in 2008. She claims the university violated her constitutional rights and federal civil laws when she was denied admission while other, less qualified applicants were admitted based on their race. The lower court originally ruled in favor of the university. But in his majority opinion, Justice Anthony Kennedy wrote, the case should be sent back to the appellate court on grounds the low court did not review the university's affirmative action program carefully enough. More specifically, the justices say the appeals court did not hold the university to the demanding burden of strict scrutiny, instead presuming that the school had acted in good faith, requiring Fisher to prove they hadn't. A legal analyst for CNN explains the complicated ruling doesn't eliminate universities' ability to use race in admissions decisions to increase campus diversity, but that it does place a new standard on using race for such decisions.
You've got to show us that there's no other way you could achieve this type of diversity, and we're not going to accept good faith arguments. It's going to have to be concrete figures, and you have to rule out all alternatives.
While the ruling was favorable to Fisher, an NBC News analyst says civil rights advocates were breathing a sigh of relief at the ruling. There was the potential that the justices would issue a really major ruling headed in a conservative direction, limiting or eliminating affirmative action. Instead, the justices did something more modest. The Supreme Court could also announce major decisions on gay marriage and voting rights in the coming days. For Newsy, I'm Lauren Goris.